Hi, I'm Gary Harris of Warren Industries. We all know a winch is a versatile tool used for recovery of a stuck vehicle as well as moving a heavy load. What I'm going to do today is give you some tips, some techniques on how to get the most out of your winch while you're out on the trail. For starters, always remember to wear gloves when operating a winch. Winch lines can develop sharp barbs and gloves will help protect your hands. Also, when reaching for your winch line, always grab it by the hook strap. This will help reduce the chance of injury to your hands and fingers. Warren's winching accessory kit includes several items that will help in moving a heavy object. One of the most useful items found in the kit is a snatch block. When used properly, a snatch block can double the winch's pulling capacity and allow you to change the direction of your pull. Also in the Warren accessory kit, you'll find two D-shackles and a tree trunk protector. The D-shackles are used for attaching the looped ends of cables, straps, and snatch blocks to an object. The tree trunk protector gives you an attachment point for the winch rope to go around trees and protect them from damage. These can be used to anchor to other items as well. These accessories can really come in handy when you need to put your winch to work. And when it comes to winching, here's a few simple steps and you'll be on your way in no time. The first thing you need to do is place the clutch lever in the free spool position and pull out enough line to reach your anchor point. Next, secure the winch line to the anchor point by utilizing the tree trunk protector and the D-shackle. Now, turn the clutch lever to engage and put the winch line under a bit of tension, making sure the anchor is secure. You can now begin making your recovery. If the pull is too difficult, or if you're pulling a heavy UTV, you can use a snatch block to double your pulling power. Keep in mind that the double line pull will reduce the recovery speed by half. For even more information, consult the Warren Basic Guide to Winching Techniques available for download on Warren's website at warren.com. Well, there you have it. A few basic accessories and proper use of the winch, you can ride with confidence knowing that if you do get stuck, you've got a Warren winch to get you out.